How to fix Facebook Messenger video call sound issue. First thing, open the settings on your phone. Go to the apps manager. When you open the apps now on this page, you will find every single app that you have on your phone. Wait a few seconds, and after that, all what you want to do is scroll until you find the Facebook Messenger right here. Click on Facebook Messenger as you can see here. Click on Force Stop and then click on Notifications Management. Disable the notifications and enable them back again, and then click on Permissions. Make sure to enable all the permissions, and then go to the storage. Click on Clear Data and Clear Cache, and then go back to the settings on your phone. Go to the wireless and networks, enable the airplane mode and disable it. That's it guys, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the very end.